Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing an acrylic pour. An acrylic pour. If you look in front of me, you can see that I actually did these pours 2 or 3 days ago. And I originally was doing this one, got it done, had extra paint. So I was like, oh cool, I'll do a second pour. So I pulled out this canvas and did a second pour with it, so some of it's still a little wet. And yeah, so that's cool. We have a dog. As any of you who have been like watching these videos for any amount of time know, have a dog. We got him a little over a year ago, so he's literally like a year and 2 months old. He's a German Shepherd, so he's crazy. So when he gets his like zoomies, they're dangerous because he's gigantic and he'll plow through here. So we have to be really careful when I have, like wet projects out. So like acrylic pours, when I do tie dyeing, all of those things, we have to be really careful so that he doesn't, for one, mess it up. But that's really not the biggest problem. It's really, getting it around the house, like getting paint around the house, or text message. Getting paint around the house, but also like getting paint on himself, which he has done before. Bad. And so yeah, really careful. And of course I'm always like telling my husband like, oh, we need to be careful, we need to be careful. But my husband is like, doesn't pay attention to a lot, men. And so yeah, did this one day. The next day I get up, I go to work, I come back home, and I see, look downstairs, my den is like, it's like in my like downstairs area, this. So I call my husband, I'm like, Shaw, what happened? I had to pry it off. And so now, luckily, this canvas is still fine. It still looks super cool, but this one is messed up. So I don't want to, trash the whole canvas. So what I'm going to try to do is kind of pick off where it like bunched and where it's kind of like raised right here. And then we're going to do another pour over it. So yeah, this is going to be an acrylic pour. I'm going to use the same colors as are on this canvas. And hopefully I get something similar because I did like this. But all acrylic pours are different, so it'll be fine either way. This is actually like kind of really satisfying. I don't need to pull it off the whole canvas though, but now I kind of want to. Oh my god, that's so cool. I've never done this before. Oh my god. Actually, this is going to be really cool. This is going to be a really cool skin to use for my jewelry. Ooh, let's put that to the side. Actually, everyone, comment down below. Has anyone ever done this? Because I definitely didn't think it would just pull off like this. But I kind of want to do the whole canvas now. I'm done. done.